Welcome to this quick guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through how to find the directory from DevBlogs, a resource built to connect people with helpful services, information, and community support. DevBlogs created the directory to make it easier for users to discover trusted providers, resources, and organizations that focus on hearing health and community well-being. Instead of spending hours searching across random sites, this directory gathers everything in one place. Here's how to get started. First, go to the DevBlogs website. On the homepage, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Directory. Once you click it, you'll be directed to the full collection of listings available. Inside the directory, you'll find a wide range of services: hearing care providers, assistive technology resources, educational materials, and advocacy groups. Each entry comes with details like services offered, contact information, and sometimes direct links to book an appointment or learn more. The best part is how organized it is. Whether you're searching for health professionals, community support, or practical tips, everything is presented in a clear and simple format. You don't need to be an expert to use it. It's designed for everyday people who want reliable answers fast. Another important feature is regular updates. DevBlogs keeps the directory current, so you're always seeing the latest resources and contact information. To recap, just visit the DevBlogs website, click on Directory, and start exploring. From healthcare providers to community organizations, everything you need is right at your fingertips. That's your guide to finding the directory from DevBlogs. Simple, reliable, and built to serve your needs.